Hi lovelies, hope you're having or had a great day today. Welcome back to my channel. Okra soup is one of the soups I like eating a lot, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I make this delicious pot of okra soup. But before we jump into the recipe, please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please, this is the best time to hit on that red button that says subscribe, join the family, okay, and also hit on the bell notification. This will notify you whenever I upload a new video. Let's just go ahead and get started. I'm using some goat meat, but you can use chicken or beef, some smoked mackerel, dried catfish, scotch bonnet pepper, seasoning cube, onion, crayfish powder, some uziza and ugu leaf, and of course the okra. We start off by adding the goat meat to the pot, adding the seasoning cube, adding the chopped onions. Here I'm using half of the onions. I'll use half to fry the okra, adding some salt, stir it for a bit, add some water, and then cover it to cook. So while the meat is cooking, we'll go ahead and chop up the okra like so, the way I'm doing. You can also cut them your desired size, the way you like your okra. We are just free to do that. So we are going to go ahead and cut all the okras and then set them aside to prepare the other ingredients. Okra is loaded with vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K. It is also enriched with magnesium, fiber, and potassium. This vegetable is enriched with antioxidants which reduce the risk of health conditions like cancer, diabetes, and heart diseases. In fact, okra is really a blessed vegetable. So when that is done, go ahead and soak the dried catfish with hot water, wash it and set it aside. Then here is the smoked mackerel. I'm just using one. I'm going to go ahead and debone it. If you've not watched this video on how to smoke your fish at home, I'll be linking it down below. So after the meat is cooked, set it aside, okay, and then add in oil in a fresh pot. Allow it to heat up a bit. Please don't bleach. Add in the onions, okay, and then add in the okra. Fry it, okay, just a little bit. Keep on stirring it so it will have this slime. Got the way I'm just stirring it continuously, okay. So after it has fried for a bit, go ahead and add in the scotch bonnet, crayfish powder, dried fish. Stir it a bit, and then add in the smoked mackerel, already boiled meat. Then add in the vegetables, the uziza leaf and the ugu leaf. Just cut them and add it in. Then begin to add in the stock, the meat stock, okay. Add it and then stir it up. We're going to turn it up, and then if this consistency it is too thick for you, you can just loosen it up with some water. So at this point you can adjust the seasoning and the salt. I did add some though, okay. Allow this to cook for 5 minutes and your soup is ready. Enjoy with any swallow of your choice, okay. Bye.